Hi guys, today I'm doing an unboxing video of my other stuff from Miniso the other day. As you can see, if you saw my other video, I was unboxing another one. These are all mystery boxes, but I actually had two more. But today, since it's my birthday, I decided to do it today. And so we have this one. We have Sanrio characters. I thought this is the one I got for free for my birthday, because you can do a birthday thing inside Miniso. And this one's called the Knight of Rose. I just thought that looked really cool. So we're gonna check out that one. And we also have this one here, which I thought was extremely cute. This one I had to go buy, but yeah. This one is called Sanrio Characters Diamond Bunny Baby. I thought that was, as you can see, that is way too cute. I'm hoping to get Cinnamon Roll or my Melody or any of them this time, because from the last video there was my Melody, but I wanted Cinnamon Roll. One of my other family members actually got Cinnamon Roll, so we did a trade. And I'm so happy they let me have it. This is the exact one I wanted. So yeah, that is what I traded for. And here's its card. I am still too happy about this. I'm gonna put it on one of my bags. I can't wait. And that is the Fox Collection, Fox Island it was. And as you can see, I painted my nails this way to completely look like that. I also got from Miniso these cute cinnamon roll socks. You can see cinnamon roll there. There was another type, but I think I'm looking down from the camera, but anyway. There was another type, but the other one just had cinnamon roll here without these cute little designs. I like this one so much more. And then I have my Build-A-Bear, which I decided to wait for today to actually open it. This is cinnamon roll. I have not seen it in real life yet, like in person. I have seen it in videos and I fell in love with it, so I had to have it. I wanted it for my birthday, so my mom got it for me. And well, let's start with the first one. Oh yeah, and let's show you those things first. We might get any of these. I wouldn't care which one it is, because now I have cinnamon roll there. I'm happy with anything, although I still prefer cinnamon roll for this kind. Let's see. Without further ado. There we go. The card is already outside, I think. Let's see. This is really me for the first time picking up these things, because oh, and we got Hello Kitty herself. How cute. She's gonna be on top of my computer desk here. I have a computer desk in front of me. Yeah, look at how cute she is. She is one of my favorites, but my most favorite is Cinnamon Roll. She is perfect. She has little feet too, but you usually don't see that perfectly with statues. And yeah, got a little thing there. It's that Rose Collection. Let's see what it says there. It says from 2005, Sanrio, Hello Kitty. This is a 2005 collection. And that's gonna go right here. In another video, you'll probably see it. My computer desk, I gotta fix it up a little bit. And then we got this one that's extremely cute. I'm hoping to have anything. All of them are cute, so I'm just gonna be happy with this. So let's see. Oh, well, something fell off. It is a carrier for this. So on this one, the other one had a card. Good thing I didn't look at it, because I would have revealed it before I opened the box. So that's that. Now let's see about this one, the bunny one. Let's do it with our eyes closed. I'm gonna do it like the other people on TikTok. I'm not looking at all. I'm not looking. Let's see what that is. Oh, this feels weird. No, it's like a styrofoam thing. Let's see. Let's see if I can guess who this is. It has a tail. No ears, so it's not cinnamon roll. You guys see what that is? I don't know. I think, these are bunny ears. Who could that possibly be? Now let's look at the box real quick. I'm not looking at that. Let's see who that could possibly be. Oh, I think it's Hello Kitty, right? Or is it? It's gotta be Hello Kitty, right? Guys, we have Hello Kitty. Let's see. Oh, we do, and look how cute she is. Oh. So yeah, we got that. And somehow she can be on top of this. I don't know how you do that. Oh, it's right here. There's the hook right here. So guys, if you want to know, there's the hook. She is kind of heavy. She's kind of heavy, but she's very, very cute. And again, let's see that thing that was there. Yep. There's the thing to hold her. And she's going to be on my bag at times. She is very adorable. Look at her little thing there. Without further ado, I'm very happy with these. So now we got the two friends together. And now, oh, and want to see our card? That's our card. Oh, look how pretty that is. So guys, you want to come and get this one from me. So this is really cute. See, it's Hello Kitty. Look at that. I love that sign. That's one of my most favorite things in the world. Pinky Diamond. So yeah, we got that. And now for our last one. We got the Build-A-Bear one. And I have to get something to open it. Which one? Looking at it like that. Opening it off camera, the tape. Tape is really stuck. I don't want to mess up my nail polish because I did it myself. It took a long time. So, now we're opening the box. And this is how big he is. 16 inches, 12 ounces. Isn't that cute? Like it's an actual baby. Okay. And now we got, whoa, he's big. He's really big. I didn't think he was that big, and that's really nice. Look how big he is. Isn't that cute? Yeah. And I got like little things for him too. Look at that. Look at my hand. Look at that. That's like, it's like Jumbo. You don't even need the Jumbo one to get Jumbo. This is Jumbo. The tail is stuck to him. It doesn't come like outwards. You can see the big ears. I literally have to go a little bit back to show you that. See him? And matches my nail polish. That's him. So you have good look all the way around. And there's little tags here. Oh, and I forgot to show you the clothes, guys. I'm still looking at how big that is. The eyes are like a shiny button thing. The fur is extremely, well, that's not real fur, obviously. Extremely soft. And here's the clothes for Cinnamon Roll. That's what Cinnamon Roll is going to wear. Hopefully it does fit. He is very big. You put it on like that, see? I just thought that was one of the cutest ones. I might get Easter ones too. Also, Since I saw the big one with a bow, I thought I should have a bow on him too. As you can see, that's going to be extremely adorable. I can't wait. This I'm so happy with. Oh, there you go. We got this. We got Hello Kitty. And we got another cinnamon roll for my bag. Again, thank you to my family member who gave it to me. And there you go. Oh, and he has toe beans. I didn't notice that. Look at that. This one again, if you guys want to know. Oh no, I think I put it away. Well, I lost the box now. This one was called Fox Island. So that's the one you guys want to pick up if you want to try to get this one. Comes with this, as you can see. There we go. I'll have to have a nice birthday here. Bye.